Starting to get harder. So not only do you get to hear, feel, you'll be able to see as well. Now there is no reason why you shouldn't wake up. How's it going, YouTube? Right in front of me, this is not your ordinary digital clock. It has something fancy going on with it, and I will unbox it here and show you what it will do. So it is a digital alarm. We got some other stuff in here. It looks like an LED chipset, the power adapter with USB end, a super vibrator bed shake, yes, vibration, and the power brick here. Main event, here we are. Nice. It actually looks pretty good. Now taking a closer look at the back, you can see some speakers. There's the plugins for the vibration and the power. And on the side here we have the dimming. You got some other slide options and 2 USB ports. That's going to be something you can plug in your phone to charge with. There's a time alarm and alarm 2. Nothing on the bottom. And on the top you have some selections and your snooze button. I can show you in here. It also has a battery compartment. So we'll try that out. Using my favorite rechargeable batteries that last forever. I'll link them in the description below. And there's our first boot. Now the AA batteries does serve as a backup, so if you lose power to your house. So most likely we're gonna have to plug this into a wall. Or better yet, plug this into my portable power bank here. We'll just hit the power. That is way brighter than what it was before. It sounded as I plugged it in. The cable looks to be under 4 feet. Control the dimming. If it's too bright for nighttime, you can't see it during the day. This is meant to be on your bedside. To set the time, we're gonna press and hold, and we get the blinking. And the arrow keys up here, we're gonna change it. Google, what time is it?
4:57.
4:59, just to be ahead by 2 minutes at least. Hit it one more time, 2018. What's the date today?
It is Tuesday, the 18th of September, 2018.
And there we go. We got it all set up now. Now, if I press 1 alarm, you can see that the dot turns on and 2 alarm. To have them both on. Now to put 1 alarm, let's press and hold. And there's the alarm we're entering. And let's put that at 5:01. Now here's the vibrator. I'm going to plug it in. I got less than a minute. And now we're about to find out how much this will vibrate. Put it underneath your pillow, between your mattress. Okay, while we wait for that, I'm gonna look at the manual here to make sure I'm doing it right. Set in time format. Whoa! It's vibrating off the table. Whoa. It's starting to get harder. Oh yeah. Wow. Hit the snooze. Right there, this is impressive. This is actually vibrating pretty hard. How long is this cable? Much longer than the charge cable. The cable's around 5 feet. What the purpose of this vibration is, so you can put it between your pillow again or your mattress, somewhere underneath your blanket. For those people who are heavy sleepers who can't hear the alarms, this is going to be important for people who literally cannot wake up from sounds and you need someone to wake you up and push you. This is going to vibrate. Now this is impressive. I like it. Obviously you got to set it next to a bed. We got these USB ports. Plug that in. This is going to be something that I need to charge every other day, so every 2 days I charge this. That way I can plug my phone and watch the charge off of this clock. I think it's cool and unique. I think you'll like it. Now, how would I rate the vibration feedback on this? I would say it's stronger than a cell phone. So if you like how cell phones feel, like the iPhone 10, for example, it's not as subtle and quick as the iPhone 10 because it has a longer motor. So I can feel the rotation like it's a lot more powerful feeling where it's supposed to be shaking a bed. You know what? I'm going to do 2 of these. Okay, 5:15, the alarm's going to go. I'm going to set this on this seat where I'm sitting. Obviously, I'm going to feel it there, right? It's at that spot. I weigh 155 pounds, so all that weight's being pushed down. Oh. When the volume goes up, so if you're going to be sleeping, it's not going to be all of a sudden super loud and super vibrating. It's going to slowly start waking you up and getting stronger and stronger. Now I'm starting to feel it a lot more. Obviously getting louder. Sorry about the annoyance. I just went through all its vibration modes, and I will have to say that it is definitely noticeable. It feels a lot more than a phone would in your pocket. So if you're laying down and you have a flat surface, your bed's gonna shake. So again, I think it looks good. You can choose different colors. And if you can't wake up by sound, you can wake up by vibration, like someone moving you around. This is a USB, so it does not stop there. I knew it was gonna vibrate your bed or wherever you're gonna be setting it as. So not only do you get to hear, feel, you'll be able to see as well. That is crazy cool. Now there is no reason why you shouldn't wake up. I think that's cool how it has a touch sensitive. Play with it to use as a flashlight in the middle of the night. This alarm keeps impressing me. I think it's gonna be on a lot of people's bedsides. I recommend it. Again, try it out for yourself. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Later.